Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Hotjar to your landing pages for conversion insights. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Hotjar to your landing pages for conversion insights, start by logging into your Hotjar account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Hotjar website and sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Sites section and click on it. Click the Add a Site button to create a new site entry. Enter your landing page URL in the designated field. Select your preferred settings for data collection. After saving, you will see a tracking code generated for your new site. Copy the tracking code to your clipboard. Now, head to your landing page's content management system or HTML editor. If you are using a platform like WordPress, navigate to the theme editor. Locate the header section of your website's HTML code. Paste the Hotjar tracking code just before the closing /head tag. If you're using a landing page builder, look for a custom code section. Place the Hotjar tracking code in the appropriate field for header scripts. Save your changes and publish your landing page. Return to your Hotjar dashboard. Click on the Verify Installation button to ensure the connection is active. Once verified, you can start creating heat maps or recording sessions. Explore the heat maps and recording sections to analyze user data. Use the insights to optimize your landing page for better conversions. Review the data regularly to refine your strategies. With these steps completed, you're set to gather valuable insights from Hotjar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.